What are we doing now?
We are doing an unpacking.
An unboxing?
Unboxing.
Her first ever unboxing. We're back in Hampstead Heath, my favorite place in London, simply because I feel so peaceful here. And look how beautiful it is.
Really like golden fall.
Yeah, golden autumn. And where are we going now?
To
Kenwood House. I wish the sun was here, guys. Then you could see the colors in their full glory. And there's Kenwood House. If you want some really good chocolate cake, come here. Yay, Cushy's Crepe. We're at the Crêperie de Hampstead, my favorite little spot where dreams come true, Nutella dreams. Yeah, cheers, Cushy! Hello everyone and welcome to part 3. So yes, we are still at Harrods. Yes, this is all filmed on one day. And yeah, so what is happening today?
right now we are going to the Louis Vuitton store.
To the Louis Vuitton in Harrods.
In Harrods, okay, and then I'll buy the...
Don't say what yet. We're gonna do a review. You're gonna buy a bag. She's gonna buy a bag now. Her very first big designer brand bag, right? So I'm really excited. We're gonna do the reveal later on in the video, so stay tuned for that. And should we head in? Okay, Cushy, so what color did you like? You told me you like a certain...
The blue one.
The blue minty green. Yeah, that is really nice. And guys, there they have the micro bags again. Oh, I definitely want this one. This one's gonna join us at some point. Okay, let's see what we have here. Wonderful. Hello everyone. We're gonna head to Louis Vuitton now. Okay, let's have a look what they have. And then we are going to... you still want a Dior, right?
I also like
a classic lady. So this is the small size. I know that you like it a lot. And here, guys, we have the Christmas decoration everywhere. Oh, hi! Hi, do you want to be in the video?
So
okay.
This is our exotic board.
Yes, Adam is here with us again.
Yes.
And so these are really special pieces. I have seen like a Himalayan one once. I was like, you know, that's worth saving. Exactly.
I've got a very special
I've seen it. Yeah, please show me.
I really like that one.
That is such a nice one as well. Wow, okay. Look what Adam has there, guys. They make even the micro ones in
available in the world. So it's
wow,
amazing.
guys, did you hear this? And it has like an iridescent shine.
It's iridescent crocodile.
Oh wow.
It's amazing. It's stunning.
Oh my god,
it's
okay.
Cute, isn't
it is so cute.
Have a little hold of
yeah.
it.
Okay guys, I cannot believe it what Adam has just shown us. Okay, let me look at it. I mean, just the cutest little bag ever. And I know I want a micro one for sure. But I mean, it's unbelievable. I really wanted to know if they come out with a lot of different like special editions bags, because it seems to be popular, right? If they even make those tiny bags in like exotic leather now. So it seems like the micros are selling well, guys. So I could imagine them coming out with a lot of different pieces soon. But yeah. Oh god, how cute is this? Okay guys, I still can't believe it. I just had to sit down. I don't know if he's getting something. Oh, he's getting something. Oh no! Oh, is that for us? We're getting a little present. Oh my god, thank you so much, Adam. So we just met Adam and he and his boyfriend, he recognized me and Cassie in one vlog. So if you've seen that vlog, you know what I'm talking about. And he just gave us a little Christmas gift.
So cute and
the best. Cushy's filming too. So we are at Louis Vuitton in Harrods now. And yeah, let's see what's gonna happen here. Are we excited? We are, because we are going to look at a very specific bag. And guys, can we please have a closer look at that one? I think that has iridescent hardware, like the oil slick hardware. Okay guys, so what do we think? This is the oil slick one. Is it actually black? Yeah, I think it is. No, it is not. It's a very dark purple. And it has a slight iridescent shine to it. And Look at this beautiful hardware. Okay, it is, oh my god. It is so stunning. We need a close-up of this. Wow. I mean, wow. So many gorgeous bags I've seen yesterday and today shopping with Kushi. Yep. Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, and again, a full body shot with the bag. So this is the BB size. And it is a very gorgeous size. I always wanted this in the Gallet color with a python handle, but this would be something as well, huh? Let me know what we think. Yeah, show me again on you. Let's see how it looks like. This size is better,
Yeah,
but in the classic.
I like the smaller one.
Yeah, yeah. Show me. Go back a little bit. Yeah, it's still so beautiful on you. I think we have to go to the flagship store then, huh? Okay guys, so we're back on Bond Street actually, because they didn't have the bag we were looking for in Harrods, right? So now we're on our way back to the flagship store, and look at this. Isn't it absolutely amazing? Next week we're gonna go film with Bulgari again, so I hope that you're all gonna be really excited for that, but I just wanted to show you this. Yeah guys, so we are back at Louis Vuitton, and yeah, let's see what is going to happen now. I would be so happy for Kushi if she would actually decide to buy a beautiful bag here, and the one she wants is actually still on my wish list too, so you know, would be very happy for her, of course. What do we think about this model? Let me show you properly. What do we think about this? This looks like the Bobby bag, right? Dior Bobby bag, just as the Louis Vuitton version. Yeah, that is a really beautiful detail.
Sometimes it's all in the detail.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, that's what we pay the money for, right? So, this is the Capucine version. Really nice. Is this the same size? Yeah, it's a BB, right? Yeah, yeah, it's the BB. Same size as the bag that Kushi wants. And look at the detail of this. Amazing. Yeah, guys, and it's been a bit windy outside. My hair is not so nice anymore. But yeah, there she is. Go over there. Okay, Kushi is back. Let me show you this. So here we are again. I wanted to show you this Capucine's winter edition too, because I think it is pretty cute, isn't it? So yeah, I think Kushi is definitely buying something. I don't actually know if she's buying one bag or even two, which would be a good decision. I recommended the Neverfull to her as well, in black epi, because you know, there's a reason why the Neverfull is so popular, because it's such a comfortable bag. We all love our Neverfulls, don't we? But yeah, let's go back to this topic. So let me also show you how it looks like with the strap on, and is it not beautiful with a shearling strap? Okay, so here we are. Hello. So this is a wider strap as well. Of course, they are pretty comfortable. You can always just wear it as a crossbody bag, of course, as well. And yeah, it's not bad, right? It is not bad. This is the BB size for work, but you need something very durable.
I need something very
yeah. This is very durable. The epi leather is absolutely amazing. Some Louis Vuitton fine jewelry, guys. What do we think about the fine jewelry, Kushi? It is pretty, right? Mm-hmm. Would you wear something like this?
I would maybe wear the more simple things.
The more simple
maybe.
things, yeah. Ooh, not some bling bling.
Maybe for my birthday.
Maybe for your birthday. Yeah, so some more eye candy. Kushi is just paying for her bag at the moment, so there will be a reveal / an unboxing later on in this video. I hope you're gonna really enjoy it. And yeah, and again, some Fornasetti pieces. I have not seen this one yet. Ooh. What's happening over there? I don't know. Somebody was screaming. So yeah, cute. I would not want this in my collection, to be honest. But yeah, let me always know what your thoughts are. Okay, Kushi. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for helping us. Kushi. Okay, so What just happened? You want to show us? And we're gonna reveal in a second what we got. And I think it was really fate, right? Because you saw it yesterday, and then suddenly you weren't interested in any other bags anymore.
Yes, that's true.
And I think that's a good sign, right? She has the butterflies, guys. She has the butterflies. And can we please turn around and look at this beautiful Christmas tree right there? Okay, are we going back now to unbox it? Yeah, guys, so this is Carnaby Street. You never really know what you find here, but it always looks amazing. Hello everyone, we are in your hotel room.
In my hotel room, yes.
And what are we doing now?
We are doing an unpacking.
An unboxing?
Unboxing.
Her first ever unboxing, and I'm so excited. It's your first ever designer handbag as well, if we don't count the one Chloe bag that she has, which is beautiful as well. Okay, what is it? Do you want to show us? And show us the back of the bag, because it's like Christmas
So this is
decoration already.
I never had
such a huge
shopping bag. Ta-da.
Look at this, guys. This is art. Okay, let's do it, Kushi. Get it out.
Okay.
It's pretty big, right? I didn't expect it to be so big, because the bag is not that big. Yeah.
Oh, and then it has a nice
The ribbon.
blue ribbon.
Let's turn it around. Let's look at it from the front. Guys, I'm so excited. This bag's actually still on my wish list.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Okay, do it, Kushi. Let's unwrap this.
Okay.
It's still on my wish list. One day.
Yeah.
One day we're gonna be twinning. Okay. Oh, show us so that we can see it properly. Here we are. Okay, get it out.
Okay, that's quite funny.
Show us. Show us. I'm really excited to see this.
And
drum roll. I'm so happy that you chose this beautiful bag.
so it's the classic.
You tell me.
Oh, what was it again?
You tell me. I said it like 1,000 times.
I know. It was something with C.
Something with a C. Everybody is currently screaming the name.
I don't know.
The Louis Vuitton Capucine.
Capucine. Oh, okay, like Kapuze in German.
Just think of cappuccino.
Cappuccino, yes. Cappuccino is a good. Okay. Good that I don't know how the bag is called, but I've bought it.
This is the size BB. So this is the smallest, second to smallest size at the moment available on the market.
I like the size.
It is absolutely gorgeous.
This was the best.
Choice.
The best choice
absolutely
of
amazing.
size.
Show us the beautiful interior, cause it is black, of course, black Torian leather on the outside. However, then if you open it up, and like of course the gold hardware, black and gold is like right the most classic choice you can go for. You have the beautiful magenta interior lining. How gorgeous is this? Yeah, and it comes with a little strap as well. And are we going to bring the bag out already tomorrow with us? When we go on our London trip. Maybe we're gonna block a little bit here and there. But yeah, exactly. If you want to be a little bit more understated, people, you can just wear the bag like this, which is, you know.
That's what I learned today.
Incredible. Amazing.
I learned a lot today.
And yesterday. And then if you, put the flap
Just
in,
like
then that's the classic look, right? I mean, even this is still very understated. I think somebody who wouldn't know about bags, they wouldn't guess immediately that it's LV. It's not on your face. It's very,
and I like that.
subtle.
I like this point.
Okay, guys, so that is it.
I'm happy.
Yeah, that's
really
the most
happy.
important part.
And I think it was not that difficult as I thought it would be, because I thought I didn't have like a precise idea what bag I would like.
But then once you've seen it, right?
Then
like today she
in my
wasn't
hand.
interested anymore at all. Looking at other pieces, she's like, no, I found mine. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease.
Okay, sorry.
And yeah, we see you again very, very soon. Bye. Yeah, look at the beautiful moon there, guys. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed our 3 vlogs.